Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3 on the topic of Chapter 12, Fill in the blanks, Short question and Broad question. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 12, Fill in the blanks, Short question and Broad question. Students, this is our 16th lecture and 15th homework. I am repeating, this is our 16th lecture and 15th homework. Students, for today's class, take your Bangladesh and Global Studies book, notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about FB, SQ and BQ. And then you have to pick them in your notebook. So let's begin. Students, we'll start our class with fill in the blanks. Here I have given 4 fill in the blanks. You have to fill the gaps with appropriate words. Look, number 1. With a dash family, everyone's needs can be met. Is it okay? I hope you can guess what will be in the gap. Look, lesson 2. With a small family, everyone's needs can be met. Here we find small family. So in the gap we have to write small, S M A double L, small. With a small family, everyone's needs can be met. Number 2. In area, Bangladesh is dash in the world. Students, can you guess what will be in the gap? In our earlier class, we have read the text. So I hope you can guess what will be in the gap. Okay, come to lesson 1. Look here, the information. In area, Bangladesh is 19th in the world. So we have to write here 19th. I'm writing here 19th. So now the sentence is completed. In area, Bangladesh is 19th in the world. Now come to number 3. In population, Bangladesh is dash in the world. Okay, I hope you can guess this one also. Here is the answer. In population, Bangladesh is 8th in the world. So our answer will be 8. We have to write here 8. Now it's completed. In population, Bangladesh is 8th in the world. Last number, number 4. When buses, trains and boats are overcrowded, it can be dash. Students, here we can see in lesson 3 the picture. These are overcrowded, and when our buses or any transports are overcrowded, it may be dangerous. So in the gap we have to write dangerous. Dangerous means not in our favor, not good for us. So I'm writing here D A N G E R O U S. Dangerous. Dangerous means harmful. Okay, now the sentence is when buses, trains and boats are overcrowded, it can be dangerous. Now students will learn about short question 1, 2. Our first question is, what is the population density of Bangladesh? I'm repeating the question. What is the population density of Bangladesh? The answer is the number of people per square kilometer is called population density. There are 1015 people per square kilometer in Bangladesh. It is vast in ratio than most other countries in the world. So I hope you can understand the answer of this question. Now come to number 2. Name one advantage of a small family. The answer is, in a small family, it is possible to meet the demand of all. Students, now will learn broad question from this chapter. Before discussing broad question, I want to inform you that from this chapter, we'll learn only one broad question. I'm repeating, from this chapter, we'll learn only one broad question, as we have learned two broad questions from other chapters. So let's begin. Our question is, how does overpopulation affect transport? I'm repeating, our question is, how does overpopulation affect transport? The answer is, with overpopulation, there are crowds everywhere in the streets, in the markets, in schools and on transport. When there are too many people for the transport, it takes longer to get anywhere. When buses, trains and boats are overcrowded, it can be dangerous and causes accident. So that's for the answer of broad question. Now I'm giving your homework. Your homework will be fill in the blanks, only answer. Students, I'm repeating, your homework will be fill in the blanks 1 to 4, and no need to pick the question, you'll just write the answers. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 16 and homework number is 15. The submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.